Imagine this. You open your eyes, and suddenly it's 2015. Your life is exactly the same as it was 10 years ago. Same room, same job, same routine. Except for one thing. Someone has just handed you $1,000 of pure investment budget. No bills, no rent, no living costs. Just $1,000 to change your financial destiny. And here's the twist. You still remember everything from the future. Every stock, every crypto, every crash, every boom. And now you're thinking, oh my God, what do I buy first? Because time is ticking. And you know some assets are about to explode, like really explode. And every minute you waste could literally cost you millions. So what's the first move? Bitcoin? Tesla? Nvidia? Ethereum? Or something completely insane that nobody's talking about? Let's speed this up. We only have one chance, and we already know the future. So let's build the most extreme, perfect timing path, just to see what's possible. First move, you sprint to your computer in 2015. Bitcoin is trading at $430.57. Your hands are shaking as you type. You slam the entire $1,000 into BTC, and boom, you wait. You just wait. All the way until November 10th, 2021, when Bitcoin hits its peak of $65,787. Your $1,000 becomes $152,800. Nice, but we are not stopping there. Now you jump forward in time. It's late 2022. Tesla stock is crashing hard. Everyone is panicking, selling off their shares, convinced the ride is over. But you're smiling because you know what's coming next. Tesla bottoms out at $109.10. You take all $152,800 and throw it into TSLA. Just 7 months later, on July 19th, 2023, Tesla stock soars to $291.26. Boom. You now have $408,000. Still not enough, because you know the biggest monster is still ahead. It's the end of 2023. Nvidia just split its stock, and the adjusted price is a quiet $49.50. You go all in. Everything. $408,000 flows directly into Nvidia. And then the AI revolution hits. The world wakes up to what you've known for years. By 2025, Nvidia stock is trading around $190. And your investment? It becomes $1,567,000. From just $1,000, you now have over $1.5 million. Perfect timing, perfect information, zero mistakes. But now, I want you to think about this. This is my extreme path, my perfect timing fantasy. But what about you? Maybe you'd buy Ethereum right at launch. Maybe you'd bet everything on Nvidia even earlier. Maybe you'd find some crazy hidden gem that beats all of my choices. Or maybe you'd find a path that turns that $1,000 not into 1 million, but into 10 million. So now I have one question for you. If you were thrown back 10 years with $1,000, what would you buy? And how would you make more money than I did? Tell me your perfect path. I'm waiting.